Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will explain about the 7th class maths second chapter fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that chapter exercise 1 4 5 6 7 problems I will explain in this video. Total 4 problems. Okay now. So first 3 problems already explained in the before video. If you want that I will give link in the description box. See there. Okay, see here fourth problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeter long. So here length they gave in a mixed fraction. So convert into a improper fraction. And 3 1 by 5 centimeter wide, nothing but breadth. Okay na. Here also it is a mixed fraction. Find its perimeter. So one rectangular sheet is there, nothing but a rectangle only. So length they gave is 5 2 by 3. I will explain here. Length is 5 2 by 3 centimeters and breadth is equals to 3 1 by 5 centimeters. They are asking the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? So here rectangle sheet only, no? We should use that rectangle formula. So perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. Okay na. So in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Like this. Okay. So here length convert into a mixed fraction. How to convert that one? Mixed fraction to improper fraction. So first multiply here. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2. Okay. So 15 plus 2 is equals to how much? 17. 17 by 3. Okay. Are you understood this one? And here this one. 5 3s are 15. Here you should multiply. And here you should add. Okay now. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. 16 by 5. Sorry, denominator 5. 16 by 5 centimeters. Afterwards, substitute this L and B values in this formula and solve it. How to write the solution? Okay, with statements I will show you. Here see this one. So given length of the first what they gave in the question, that one we should write. A given length of the rectangular sheet L is equals to 5 2 by 3 centimeters, and here I converted mixed fraction to improper fraction. Next, breadth of the rectangular sheet B is equals to 3 1 by 5 centimeters, and that is equals to 16 by 5 centimeters. Okay now, perimeter of the rectangular sheet P is equals to 2 into L plus B formula. Okay, 2 into what is the L value here? 17 by 3. So 17 by 3 plus B value is 16 by 5. Okay now. Afterwards we should add. How to add this one? First check the denominators. Denominators are different. So do the LCM for that denominators. Here I'll see this one LCM. So 3 1s are 3 and 5 right as it is, and again 5 1s are 5. So 3 5s are 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So take the denominator 15, and here we should check in 3 table we are having 15. 3 5s are 15. So we should multiply this fraction with the 5 by 5. So 17 into 5 and 3 into 5 is 15. So denominator already we wrote. Plus here 5 table we are having 15. 5 3s are 15. So multiply this fraction with the 3 by 3. 16 into 3 and divided by 5 3 is a 15, nothing but 15. Denominator same only coming now, one time it will write. Next 17 5 is a 85. So 2 into 85 plus 63 is a 48 divided by 15. So 85 plus 48 is 133 divided by 15. Again multiply here. 2 into 133 is equals to 266 divided by 15. This is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Again we should convert into a mixed fraction. Why length and breadth they gave in a mixed fraction, no? So answer also converted into a mixed fraction. How to convert into mixed fraction? So do division like this. So 15 1s are 15, and here 26 minus 15 is 11, and take this 6 down. Okay, and 15 7s are 105. Remainder is 11. Okay, so like this you should write as a mixed fraction. Quotient write as a whole part. So 17 11 by 15. It is a mixed fraction. Okay now, understood this problem? If you want that, take screenshots and write in your notes. Okay, next fifth problem. The recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? So one recipe they are preparing. Okay, now Radha is preparing one recipe with 3 1/4 cups. అంటే ఒక రెసిపీని ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి 3 1/4 కప్స్ ఫ్లోర్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, రాధా దగ్గర ఎన్ని కప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఉంది? 1 3/8 కప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఉంది. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని కప్స్ యూజ్ అవుతాయి ఆ రెసిపీ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి అని. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ దానికి దేర్ ఫోర్ ఇదండి స్టేట్మెంట్, సారీ ఫోర్త్ వన్కి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్. సో ఫ్లోర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ ద రెసిపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 1/4 cups. So 3 1/4 convert into a improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13/4 cups. Next floor with Radha. Radha దగ్గర ఎంత ఫ్లోర్ ఉంది? 1 3/8 cups. So 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11/8 cups. Next more cups of the floor required. So how many more cups she want? So 13/4. So total cups minus Radha having how many cups of flours? That one do subtraction. 13/4 minus 11/8. See here denominator is different. So do the LCM for that denominators. See here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again take 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next, so 1 right and 2 1s are 2. LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. LCM is 8. Okay, so right here, and in 4 table we are having 8. 4 2s are 8, no? So numerator also multiply with 2. 13 into 2 minus, here 8 8 common only having, so write that numerator as it is, minus 11. That is equals to 13 2s are 26 minus 11/8. That is equals to 15/8. Okay, and 15/8 again convert into a mixed fraction. Same like this, do division. Okay na, and write like this. This is the solution for fifth problem. Next go to the sixth one. Sixth problem. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5/12 part of his course content. అంటే అబ్దుల్ అనే అతను ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాడు. ఆ టోటల్ కంటెంట్లో ఎంత పార్ట్ ఫినిష్ చేసుకున్నాడు? ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేది 5/12 పార్ట్ ఫినిష్ చేశాడు అనమాట. సో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ హౌ మచ్ కోర్స్ కంటెంట్ ఈజ్ లెఫ్ట్. అంటే ఇంకా ఆ కోర్స్లో ఎంత రిమైనింగ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో కంప్లీట్ చేయాల్సినది రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలా. ఓకే, హౌ టు ఫైండ్? సో టోటల్ కంటెంట్ని మనం 1గా అస్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటాం. సీ హియర్ ఫస్ట్ గివెన్ యూ షుడ్ రైట్ course completed by Abdul. So how much part completed? 5/12 part. Okay na. Next, let total content as 1. So total content we are taking as 1. Next, course to be completed by Abdul. అంటే ఇంకా ఎంత రిమైనింగ్ కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి అని. సో టోటల్ మైనస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ పార్ట్ we should subtract. Okay na, 1 minus 5/12. And here for 1 and 12 we should take the LCM. So 12 only coming. So multiply with 12. 1 into 12 minus 5. Here denominator is same na. So write that numerator as it is. 1 into 12 is equals to 12 minus 5/12. So 12 minus 5/12 is equals to 7/12. So remaining how much part? 7/12 part he want to complete. Okay. Next, seventh problem. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Here figure gave now. So ABE triangle, we should find out the perimeters, and the rectangle BCDE in the figure. Which figure has the greater perimeter and by how much? So here in this total figure, first we should find out the triangle perimeter. Next to find out the rectangle perimeter. Afterwards they are asking which perimeter is greater, perimeter of triangle or perimeter of the rectangle is greater. We should find. Okay, perimeter nothing but we should add all sides. Okay now. Okay, see here figure I drawn once again. Given we should write. Okay, now given is compulsory. AB length, what is the AB length? 3 1/3 they gave. So all mixed fractions only they gave. Now we convert into a improper fractions first. Okay, all sides. AB is equals to 3 1/3 centimeters. So 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10/3 centimeter. Next one is BE. So AB after BE and AE like this I took. BE is 2 1/5 centimeters. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11/5 centimeters. Next AE length 4 2 by 3 centimeters. So 4 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14 by 3 centimeters. Next see here DE is equals to BC I took. So DE is equals to BC. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal, no? So here BC length and DE length are equal. So 1 2 by 3 centimeter nothing but 3 1s are 3 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 centimeter. So here also 5 by 3 centimeters. Next here BE length and CD length are equal. So BE length already we find, no, 11 by 5 centimeters. So CD length also 11 by 5 centimeters. First one, in that first question, perimeter of the triangle ABE. Perimeter nothing but we should add all sides, sum of its sides. Okay na? So here AB plus BE plus AE. So AB value is 10 by 3 and BE value is 11 by 5 and AE value is 14 by 3. And here denominators are different. So do the LCM like this. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3 and 5 write as it is. Next take 5 and 1s write as it is. 5 1s are 5. LCM is 3 5s are 15. So take here 15 and in 3 table we are having 15, 3 5s are 15. So numerator also multiply with 5. 10 into 5 plus and here 5 3s are 15, no? So numerator multiply with 3. అంటే కింద దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేసామో న్యూమరేటర్ కూడా అదే నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో 11 into 3 plus here 3 5s are 15 we should multiply, no, with 5. So numerator also multiply with 5. 14 into 5. Next 10 5s are 50 plus 11 3s are 33 plus 14 5s are 70 divided by 15. Add the numerators. 153 it will come. 153 by 15. So again convert like this in a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction చెప్పాను కదండి డివిజన్ ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలని, అలాగా. ఓకేనా? Second problem, perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. So 2 into L plus B. So here length I took as a BE. Okay, now next breadth I took as a BC. So 2 into BE plus BC. So BE length is 11 by 5 plus BC length is 5 by 3. Okay. 2 into, so do the LCM for 5 and 3, 15 it will come. So 11 into 3 plus 5 into 5, 11 3 is a 33 plus 5 5 is a 25. Add the numerators, 58 it will come. So 2 into 58 is 116 divided by 15 centimeters. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of the triangle is 153. So this one is greater now. So as 153 divided by 15 is greater than 116 divided by 15. So therefore perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater than the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. అంటే rectangle perimeter కంటే triangle perimeter ఎక్కువ ఉంది. Okay, are you understood these 4 problems? మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. Thank you for watching this video. Okay.